is dedicated to exploring the fascinating fields of space, astronomy, and behind the universe. We live on a small planet, but it's part of vast, mysterious universe. Here, we explore planets, moons, stars, spacecrafts, and humanity's journey into the cosmos. Billions of years ago, a violent event reshaped Earth and creating a silent companion in the sky. It explored the science behind one of the universe's greatest mysteries, the formation of the moon. The moon is known as the only natural satellite of Earth. The most widely accepted theory about its origin is the giant impact theory. According to this theory, about 4.5 billion years ago, a planet-sized body called Theia collided with the early Earth, and the debris from this impact eventually formed the moon. Although Earth and the moon share some similarities, there are also many differences. The moon has a core, mantle, and crust like Earth, but it is much smaller in size. Its atmosphere is extremely thin, and it doesn't support life. Interestingly, studies have shown that the internal structure of the moon is remarkably similar to that of Earth. In Greek mythology, the moon was personified as the goddess Selene. The planet-sized body, Theia, a titan, is said to have given life to Selene. Theia is believed to have been similar in size to the planet Mars. According to one of the oldest theories, this planetary body formed within Earth's orbit and gradually grew by accumulating gravitational debris from the solar system. Eventually, Theia began to attract nearby space matter, forming a planet-like mass in orbit. When Theia reached a size comparable to Mars, its orbital path intersected with Earth is about 4.5 billion years ago. Theia collided with the early Earth. As a result, scientists believe that the moon was formed from a mixture of debris from Theia and fragments of Earth created during this colossal impact. About 4.5 billion years ago, Earth and a smaller planet known as Theia formed along the same orbital path around the Sun. Around 4.45 billion years ago, as Theia continued to grow in mass, its orbital path became unstable. Over time, this change caused Theia to drift closer to Earth, and eventually it collided with our planet. Around 4.43 billion years ago, the collision between Earth and Theia released massive amounts of debris and dust into space. Over time, this material was pulled together by gravity, eventually forming what we now know as the Moon. Around 3.8 billion years ago, as Earth's surface began to cool, its molten layer solidified and formed a stable outer crust. After this period, the number of asteroid impacts that craters on the Moon gradually began to decrease. Around 2 billion years ago, as life on Earth began to develop step by step, the Moon played a crucial role in protecting our planet from potentially catastrophic impacts, helping to create a more stable environment for life to survive and evolve. In the present day, Earth's tectonic plates continue to move, causing continents to slow shift and separate over time. But for nearly 2 billion years, the moon has remained largely unchanged, silently orbiting our planet as a constant companion. The collision between Earth and Theia caused Earth's rotation to speed up, resulting in much shorter days than we experience today. The collision between Earth and Theia tilted Earth's axis, and this tilt led to major change in Earth's climate and seasonal patterns. The massive collision that led to the formation of the moon caused dramatic change on Earth's surface. As a result, Earth was covered by a global magma ocean. The collision between Earth and Theia altered Earth's gravitational dynamics. This massive impact also caused major changes to Earth's atmosphere and oceans. The collision between Theia and the Earth created the conditions necessary for life to begin. As a result, life on our planet was able to emerge and thrive. The composition of the moon is not identical to that of Earth. There are noticeable differences. Scientists believe that parts of Theia contributed to the moon's composition. The moon is rich in light minerals but contains relatively low amounts of metals and water compared to Earth. The moon is much smaller in size compared to Earth. Its composition is not identical to that of our planet. The moon's surface is covered with mountains, volcanoes, and craters. It has no atmosphere and there is no water present. In addition to the giant impact theory, there are several alternative ideas about how the moon formed. Some suggest that the moon formed from dust and debris that coalesced during the formation of the solar system. Another theory proposes that the moon is simply a fragment of a planet captured by Earth's gravity. It has also been suggested that the moon formed from a portion of Earth that broke away as our molten planet continuously rotated. Some ancient beliefs, like in Buddhism, consider the moon as part of Earth, but this has no scientific support. Recent studies have revealed that Earth and the moon share a nearly identical isotopic composition. The evidence has led scientists to conclude that both bodies were likely formed from the same source. To enjoy exploring the moon with us, make sure to like this video and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the Dark Astronomy YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our channel. See you in the next journey to space.